Okay, so this video is actually filmed months ago. I filmed it to make how to make video. Originally, the making kit package only contains the procedure for the big owl, which you'll see later in the video. The small owl next to the big owl is actually made by me. Unfortunately, the film making that small owl is lost. So what I have left is just making of the small leaf that the big owl is holding over the small owl. I was thinking, should I ditch this video? But I made it. I filmed it. So why not just, I don't know. Some of you might have interest in making these kinds of dolls, and if you like these kinds of making videos, I can upload more making videos because I can make more stuff. But I don't know. Let's see how it goes. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm gonna dub this live. So what you'll need is a needle. You'll also need a green wool pelt, whatever you call it. You need a comb as well to mix the wool. And I'm gonna make a dark green, so I brought a black wool as well. You need a pair of scissors as well. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna make a dark green pelt to give details onto the leaf. When you start combing, it'll be hard to find any changes happening, and the pelt will just start getting stuck onto the comb. So get another comb and use 2 combs to mix the pelt. When the felt looks well mixed, take it off from the comb and let's clean the table first. Now we have to see how big we want the leaf to be. So we'll take the baby owl and measure by estimation how much felt we'll need to make the leaf. But always cut more than what will be needed, because cutting out unnecessary amount is easy while adding in more necessary felt is hard. Next, we start poking the pelt to harden it into a somewhat sheet of a pelt. This procedure takes a lot of poking, so if you can poke with more needles, that'll somewhat shorten the procedure. As you can see here, look how I am poking from the outside towards the center at the boundary. This results with a more clean and harder boundary for the felt sheet. Make sure to flip it over from time to time to see if the opposite side is not too messy. If we got the size for the baby owl, we start cutting the sheet into a leaf shape and cut out any wool pointing out from the sheet. Next is adding detail with the dark green felt. You take a little bit of a dark green felt and poke it onto the leaf in a straight line. Same goes with the other part of the detail. Now we need to make the big owl's hand sturdier so that it's strong enough to hold the leaf for the baby owl. Then you make the stem. Making the stem is easy, but it takes some time. First, you need to needle the felt in a straight line, and after that, you just keep on needling more felt onto the same line so that it makes it 3-dimensional. You'll need to keep on turning the felt around while poking it to make it seem isotropic. Like I said, this takes a lot of time and turning around, but after numerous turns of pokes, it will result in a stem. Next, you simply attach the stem to the leaf and attach the whole leaf onto the sturdy big owl's hand. And there you go. And I'm going to end this video hoping this helped you somewhat in getting the idea how to felt doll from scratch.